coming at you guys from a Sunday morning.
Yo.
Victor, you want to tell them what we're doing?
So we're headed to Indiana and we're going to go buy myself a jet ski.
Oh yeah. So he's getting a 1998 Seadoo GSX, right?
GSX.
So it's a little two-stroke and it should be pretty fun.
Absolute screamer, boys.
Yep.
We're going.
It's probably gonna smoke mine. It is gonna smoke mine in the water, top speed wise. But yeah, we are headed to Indiana. We're about 2 hours out, and we'll update you when we're going to look at it. Victor is currently getting Arby's right now at this gas station, and I've been waiting for like the last 15 minutes. Oh, I'm so tired. But yeah, he needs to hurry up because I'm getting impatient. But yeah, hopefully he comes out soon.
Different.
So Victor, what do you got here?
I got a jet ski.
Oh yeah. So this is it, 1998 Seadoo GSX. What is it? Powered by Rotex. But yeah, came with a trailer. We got the titles to both. It's from Indiana though, so we're gonna go mess around with the DNR before we go out to the lake. See if we can get our temporary registration. Then we got the good old Yamaha wave runner back there. That's gonna be our recovery rig. But this thing should run fine, so the people before us took really good care of it. And
besides leaving it outside, they regular maintenance.
Yeah. They brought it to a mechanic and everything, so this thing is very nice. Let's pop the hood.
Pop the top.
Super nice and clean down in here. So yeah, the guy fired it up for us, and he did suggest that we get a new battery this season, so that's one of Victor's soon-to-be purchases.
Has a bilge pump too, dude.
Yeah. What did you say? You said, I spent money to spend more money?
Yeah. Bought this just to buy more shit.
So.
Buy more stuff.
Stiff. Where's your bilge pump? Oh. Does it work?
I don't know. It's probably automatic. There's usually like some testing.
Why? That's a little concerning. Why do you need a bilge pump? I bet it's factory. Here's where it pumps out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Fun. So let's go in and get some paperwork done. See if we can head out to the lake.
Look at the oil level.
Yeah, Victor plans on doing some paint work to it, some sticker removal, and we're gonna add some vinyl decals, get some new weather decking on it. It's gonna be nice. It is going to be nice, guys. So stay tuned. And then I guess while he's working on that one, I'm gonna be working on this one. I want to put a sound system on it. Because yeah.
I'm gonna strap a speaker up here. Call it good. There's little hooks right here.
Yeah, he plans on flipping this. So I think he's gonna love this thing. But yeah. He was like, man, I don't see a size difference between the two. So his is right under 9 feet long, and mine's 12 feet long. But there's quite a noticeable difference in person.
Hey, you think there was a BRP badge right here? Think there was like a Seadoo BRP badge right here?
Maybe. I don't know.
I'll put one there.
Okay.
Just for the funny of it.
Yeah. Let's go in and get some paperwork done.
Let's do it.
So we got the skis in the garage. Victor's doing some heat gunning to his ski, and it's looking really good. So we just got this little heat gun, and check it out. So this is it after being heat gunned. But if I come around to the side, look at that. That's the old stuff. You see how like this sun faded and crappy and patchy that looks? And then just turns into brand new. So we got to be careful around these gauges, so we kind of gave it some room because they're rubber and with a plastic lens, so we don't want to damage those. But as you can see, faded, brand spanking new. So he's going to keep heat gunning, and I'm going to video it because it is insanely satisfying. So as Victor finishes up heat gunning, what we're basically doing is just prepping these for the lake tomorrow. So we're super excited for that. Yeah, we got the paperwork all figured out for his, super easy. DNR makes it pretty easy, but they take forever to get you your stuff, so you gotta use your temporary for a while, because I still haven't got mine for mine, and I did mine back in the spring, and it is almost August, so that's crazy. But there's a few things I want to fix up on mine before we go out tomorrow, so I'm gonna start working on that, and Victor's gonna keep working on his, so let's see what we do. Now we're just using the magic eraser to get rid of these old numbers, so we can throw our new ones on once our thing comes in.
Alright, chat. So today, we will. Thank you, you too. Today we're on the lake at Clinton Lake. We got Justin, Grayson, and Victor. Victor on his own jet ski that he just got the other day. But yeah, we're on the lake. I'm on the tube right now with no rope. It's just attached to the jet ski, and Justin's driving. So if I die, like, this is the last video of y'all seeing me, so pray for me.
Don't drop the GoPro.
Alright guys, I'm about to drop the GoPro in the water at Clinton Lake. Wish me luck. I'm going on right now.
So you guys saw those few short clips of Anthony holding the camera while he was on the tube right behind the jet ski. But we're back at the storage unit with the two skis. I had this cover laying around, so I gave it to Victor. Even though this one did have a cover, they just forgot to give it to him. So they might be bringing their boat to where he works. So they're gonna drop it off and give it to him then. But until then, this is my cover. But we went and stopped and got lunch, and we're gonna do some filming after lunch. But somebody's ski didn't start from the dock. What was that about, Victor?
Some baloney.
Some baloney. Yeah, his solenoid gave out. So when we got it home, we were able to diagnose it. We just watched a quick YouTube video just to get an idea of what was commonly wrong with these when you have a no crank issue. And they were just saying check the fuses, check the solenoid, then obviously check at the starter. So we knew his battery was okay, so we went in right there on the solenoid, put the test light on, lit up, went to the other side, hit the crank button, didn't light up, got a little flathead screwdriver, connected the two, jet ski cranked just fine. So yep, he just got one of those ordered tonight, so we're gonna get that fixed and get some ripping videos out on the lake with these two. So yeah, sorry we didn't get any in this video, but I have one more surprise to show you before this video ends. So I'm gonna head there and show you guys those before it gets dark. Does your fire extinguisher work?
Break the seal. Oh shit.
Whoa.
Whoa, heads up. I got a fire! There's a fire! Oh, that's it. Damn, that wouldn't do anything.
That would have put out the fire right there.
Barely. Is that all that comes out of these things?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
I don't know.
That was lame as hell.
I think there's supposed to be a little more. Maybe they've had to use it before.
But the seal wasn't broken. I just broke the
Look at all that. I'm gonna have to be careful when I mow that all up.
What?
Dude, look how much the grass has been growing since it's been raining so much. Dude, that's gonna go across the road. A car's gonna be driving and be like, what the frick is all this? So we're over at the property, and here's the surprise. Victor, shut that hood.
I don't know how.
Oh, he's figuring it out. Well, shuts now.
We're good.
So right here, me and Victor needed a double trailer, so I did what anybody would do and go on Facebook Marketplace and find a trailer. So this thing I got for 800 bucks, and the idea is to throw our trailer on it And it came with 2 skis that I'm gonna try and sell and recoup our money on this. I mean, this one is most likely a lost cause, but this one's actually pretty cherry. The engine looks really good on it, and it hasn't been tampered with really. It doesn't look like. This one, it's all kind of apart. Not apart, but like the plug wires are off, and you can tell somebody was trying to get it to fire up probably. But if you come over to this one, look at this engine bay. Super pristine, nothing really taken apart or off. All it's missing is the battery, which is common for that because they go bad and then nobody wants to put a new battery in it. But yeah, so the issue though with this is, as you can see, the trailer is really nice, but there's a title issue. I bought all 3 of these with titles, and I knew the trailer and that red Jetski one were a little bugged up, and it was gonna be an easy fix. But the next day when I was really looking at them, I realized that they're really bad, and they're gonna need a lot of work. So I'll explain the whole situation in a different video, or maybe at the end of this one if anybody's still watching. But now I think I'm gonna post this back up for sale and try and get rid of it with what I got and the titles I have. It's gonna be a lot of work to get them in my name, it seems like, and just buy a different double trailer. But that green one has a clear and clean title, so that's cool. But I mean, the rest is all total, and I don't have another Jetski trailer to put that on, so I'm just gonna try and get rid of these. Maybe you'll see another video on them. But I wanted to show you that we did get a double trailer for our Jetskis, but due to some title issues, I don't think we'll be using this trailer or doing anything with these skis on the channel. So it's kind of unfortunate, but we picked this all up for 800 bucks, and I was gonna sell the skis for like, list them for like 500 each, and then probably sell them for like 200 bucks, so recuperate about half of our money. And then me and him were gonna split the trailer, since it was both of our skis on it, and we were gonna be like 200 each, and it was gonna be super cheap. But yeah, no, this dude named Jeffrey sold the trailer to this guy named Chad. Chad never got it transferred in his name, but Chad sold this right here. So when he sold it, he filled him out as the seller information, and then this guy named Bradley filled out the buyer information, when in reality Chad should have never signed the seller information. He should have just had Jeffrey sign the seller information, and then when he sold it to Bradley, Bradley should have just filled out the buyer information. But yeah, so frick Chad. Chad screwed this whole thing up. If you're watching this, Chad, I don't like you. And Jeffrey, if you're watching this, I need you. I need your help. But yeah, there's a few ways. I have an uncle that lives in Indiana, so maybe he can help me out, because they'll get the title for these is pretty easy if I go the Indiana route, but I live in Illinois, and it's gonna be basically impossible for me. So if I can get it in my uncle's name and then buy them from my uncle and transfer them to me, that might be a possibility. So I'm gonna be working on that process while I have these for sale. I'm not gonna take a hit on them. I'm literally gonna leave them for sale for $1,000 bucks, and then hopefully sell them for around 1,000, or my minimum 800, which is what I paid for them. So yeah, as I try and work through the Indiana DMV with my uncle to get them titled in his name. So we'll see. You may or may not see this on the channel again. So just wanted to show you that we have been making steps to a double trailer. It's just we kind of failed. I told myself I'd never buy something without a title again, and I mean, I technically stayed true to that, but I bought something with a troubled title, so I was not really aware of this whole situation until a couple days later when I was really looking at them. But I was aware that it was going to be a little difficult, but I thought I was going to be able to contact the guys I bought them from. But the guy I bought them from was the neighbor of Bradley, so I mean, he's out of the picture. I don't even need his help for anything. So yeah, yep, I'm going to try and get a hold of Jeffrey. I'm going to look him up on Facebook maybe or something, I don't know. And I have his address, so there's something I could do where I send mail to him, and if he doesn't send it back or sends it back and I'm not getting any communication, I can then file for that I tried to contact him and then apply for a new title. So that's probably gonna be the move that I'm gonna go for. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna quit rambling on about it because we gotta go do some shopping for Victor's trailer, right, Victor?
Yes, sir.
So let's go to the store. Well, bummer, we walked in about 6 minutes late to Walmart, so we couldn't return these because the service department closed. But we came home and we just took these wheels off my dad's truck and threw on these new ones. So dad's truck is looking a lot better, if you ask me, with these fancier wheels and tires on them. So congratulations, Dad. Your truck looks sweet. But yeah, we will catch you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I haven't been posting a lot, but I've been doing a lot of work. So see you on the next one. Bye.